Hi Asad, I am Biplavi speaking, and this is my daily checklist video. Today I work at 9 a.m. in the morning. Firstly, I open my mail and check over there all the detail, beta team, and also over there rental channel also. And then I check over all that, and I collect on the tenant slip and get it in my drives, and then I go to my today's daily work. And today my work was BRK file, and I work on that, and I have got some products of BRK, and I collect it and set it on my sheet also, ultimate sheet, and here it is. Please check it out, and also work on my KGRs, and I am search and look over on tenant activities. Recently there have no new tenant, and that's why I have no collection of their detail. And I try to open my Emacs bill, but today the Emacs site cannot open actually, and that's why I cannot see whatever the status of that. And that's all actually of my works today. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.